This is the synthesis matrix for the literature review in the class Ed 106 by Matt Trudeau, Liz Rikinen, Emily Maskovitz, and Liliana Vargas. Our first main idea is outside factors. Our first source is by the author Rudder, How a Broken Home Life, Abuse, and Neglect Influence Resilience in a Child's Development. Our second source is by the author Inam, Parents' Non-Encouragement Has the Most Effect on Social Anxiety of Children. Source number 3 is by Gilligan, The Relationship Between Outside Activities and the Child's Growth in Public Care. Our second main idea is Source of Resilience. Our first source is by Maston, Accomplishment and Critiques of the Science of Resilience and the Maturing of Resilience Science. Our second source is by Rudder, Gene-to-Gene Interaction, Hereditary Behavioral Characteristics. And source number 3 by Alvord, The Study of Children in Various Cultures. Our third main idea is Outcomes and the Effects. Our first source is by Gilligan, The Influence on Children of Mentors, Activities and Interests in Public Care Enhance Child Growth. Our second source is by Alvord, What Therapies and Techniques Help the Child Be More Resilient. And our third source is by Maston, Globalization of Resilience Science also has the potential to increase appreciation for the value of developmental science across sectors, science, and cultures.